Hello guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to migrate data from staging to production or from production to staging. This is helpful in the scenarios where you're not able to replicate something that is happening on production and you might want to migrate the data from production to staging. Obviously, make sure if you are migrating users, make sure that you change their emails with a test or something, add something here to their emails so you are not sending any emails or any notifications like that you have set up. So it's as simple as this. You just go to your dashboard, click here in workspace settings, go here to data sources, go here to migrate, and then you select the source from where you want to migrate the data from. So I want to migrate, let's say, from staging, I want to migrate the data to production. Obviously, that's pretty weird. You might the most common scenarios will be where you want to migrate data from the live environment, where you can select which table you want to migrate. You don't need to migrate everything. You can select after all everything, click next, and then click confirm, and then that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this helpful.